And we're back. Great news. The app is working really well for finding characters and asking them questions. Okay. So we're still doing the wisdom quest. Is what Replit wants to call it. That's not what it's going to be called, though. Ask Humanity, I think is what we'll call it. I added some more. I added some more characters. Oh, here we go. I think that needs a button. This is the home page right here. And from here, back to the vision that I had in the beginning. You click on Ancient Wisdom, and you get these guys from the past, from the far, far past, of course. And if you click Voices of Humanity, you get some other choices. Oh, think about something else. While I'm back, I just remembered something that I need to do. So we're not going to work on that app. We're going to work on something different. Maybe. Let me see how this turns out. I have a domain. Let's see how this turns out. So in the video that I posted on LinkedIn, I registered this domain name. Yes, it's an ugly domain name. It was just something cute to play on AI and opportunity. And AI opportunity. AI opportunity was gone already. And so I just got this next available domain name that's related. But let's see what it comes up with. Tech startup and enterprise seeking AI integration for business growth, primarily targeting innovation and R&D managers and opportunities, staying at the forefront of AI revolution. Like that idea. Give me another one. So it's not in chat mode. It's not in chat mood. I was testing it. I didn't design it to do this. It's just supposed to go along with, it's supposed to help you with your idea. If you say, nah, I don't like that. Because if you got ideas, oh, but you're asking it for ideas. So for that, you're supposed to go over here. I have, oh, wait a minute. AIP Port Finder, what is that? This is interesting. Generates AI project ideas based on industry data and trends. AI skills matcher. Okay, this one I like. AI partner network platform for forming partnerships between AI startups, traditional businesses. The only thing is, this actually should go before the paywall. Well, that's what you're paying for, the ideas, though. All right, so this should go. It's already generated. All right, I know what. This, you have it, you have it generated though. Oh, you have generated the PRD. Oh, that's fine. Let's do companies with talent based on AI skills and project needs. Tell me more. Matches companies with talent based. AI skills matcher. I think you put in all of the things you know how to do with AI, and it gives you that there was skills. Positions that's available with it. Only problem is, all right, let's take this AI skills matcher. I'm gonna take this and go over here. I want to create something like an AI skills matcher. You put in the AI skills that you have acquired, all of the different AI tools that you know how to use. And I guess we could say you are given, you rate yourself on a level of comfort, skill level, comfort from 1 to 10, something like that. And then the AI goes and checks and to see what types of positions are available. Yeah, two categories. One is going to see what kind of positions are available with the skills that you have. And then two, it's going to see what types of services you can provide as an independent contractor with the skills that you have. Because maybe it's so new that people might bumble into learning some things and not know that they can actually make money with them, or where to turn to make money with them, or what to look for that uses that position. So it's no point in doing. The AI needs to make up for the lack of insight and knowledge that the user has. There's no point in just regurgitating stupid, simple stuff that obviously, if I know how to use, if I know how to create avatars, I know that I can do business, start, provide a service of creating avatars. That's not what we're talking about. We're talking about thinking more creatively as far as the output on how to apply the skills, specific. Especially, I know what. Also, add that person's background as well, and then we can be more specific about the output application. You could say. This is an intriguing concept. Let's focus on your AI skills match your app will. Let's focus on what your AI skills match your app will actually do. Here are some key areas to consider. User enters AI skills and tools they know. Rating system 1 to 10 for comfort level. Job matching category 1 matches users with job positions based on their skills and comfort levels. Category 2 suggests independent contractor services they could provide. Creative output uses AI to generate unique job opportunities or service ideas based on user skills and backgrounds. User experience flow on board, so a match process. And feedback loop, users and rate. Technical requirements, platform, data storage, da da da. Web app, mobile app. Web app that is mobile friendly, fully responsive. Also, that secure data. So what data? What's the data we need to secure? Also create your own API models. Will use open AI API. Good question. Um, also, let's have a user input. Maybe someone who sees value in the tool wants to provide input so they can help find themselves employees or freelancers at some point. For example, what I mean is employers being able to submit what they need or are looking for. Now, same thing as employees or other users They might be in discovery stage, but I don't know. They're gonna have to figure that out. For this MVP, we're not doing too much more than this. I want to get it done. I have to upload it because I had promised some people some stuff and I forgot about it. And so this will be what they can use. Rather than just recording a video. Like, here, check this out. User input section, skill entry, user inputs AI skills and tools, comfort rating, uses their skills, employer submission form. Employers can submit job listings or project needs option for employers to specify skills and background they are looking for. Now, it ain't about, okay, background, yeah, but not AI matching. Open the integration to analyze user data and match with job listings or freelance opportunities. Oh yeah, monetization. Forced focus questions. How will you ensure the quality of employer submissions? What do you suggest? Make them use email verification for sign in. Uh, Monetization is I'll take monetization ideas as well. Free tier. Oh, it gave it to me too. Wasn't really expecting it. Free tier basic matching service for users and employers. Premium tier offer advanced features like personalized coaching, deeper analytics, or priority listing for employers for monthly fee. Job posting fees. Charge employees for posting job listings. You could offer different prices based on visibility or duration. Subscription for users. I don't know. Give me ideas. Oh, yes, let's proceed. I don't know the answers. Give me ideas. And remember, we're on the side for this type of interaction. I forgot myself that it was particularly designed to do this. Absolutely. Let's explore some ideas for your app's premium features and how to balance free versus paid options. Advanced job matching, access to more personalized job recommendations based on detailed skill analysis. Alerts for new job postings that match their specific criteria, skill development resources, profile boosting option to enhance their profile visibility to employers. No, man, we're not creating a whole job board. Well, actually, my plan was not to create a job board, although it makes sense. But just because this is supposed to be something like a 1 day build, quick MVP, I'm also wanted to help the user understand the value and the skill that they're developing. And not when I say employers, yeah, it's going to be employers, but not necessarily the employer for the people using the app. It's just they want to help people be aware of the skills that they should be acquiring. Now, maybe the employer can leave their information along with the submission and an invitation for someone to apply if they happen to have the skills that they submit. And how would they? Yeah, maybe that part. Maybe employers can add to basically the knowledge base by inputting the skills that they actually seek and want, and leave their contact information. Well, and then the employees can contact them. Uh, I don't know how complex. How complex would it be? Well, for one thing, how complex would it be in order for the employees to also have their profiles available for matching? Because now we really got to charge for doing all this processing. How do you want to approach pricing strategy for your premium offers? Let me see something over here. Right. Yeah, that's what I want. Skills and comfort levels. The app provides feedback on the value of those skills and suggests additional skills to acquire based on industry strength. Yeah, there we go. That's good. Employer knowledge base. Employers can submit information about the skills they seek and why those skills are valuable. They can leave their contact information for users to reach out if they possess those skills. Profile match. Users can create profiles that highlight their skills and background. When employers submit their skills, the app can match. Okay, well, that sounds good. I like that. Users will need to create profiles which include their skills, comfort levels, and backgrounds. This can be straightforward to implement. Employers, blah, blah, blah. Same thing. Matching algorithm. All right. Sounds great. Deeper into defining user profiles. No, I don't want to. Uh, Dive deeper, huh? Dive deeper into defining user profiles or employer submissions. Um, let's do what is logical to do in this situation. That's the best I can tell you. Ready to move forward? Let's move forward. Get full analysis. Let's go. Privacy and data protection measures do you envision for handling moderate? Some privacy features needed. Minimal. What's going? What level of privacy and data? Handling user data. I'm not going. What user data? You can contact within that. 70% could fit. That's because I said moderate. Very important. Must have friendly user design and validation. You'll be all right. You can figure it out. I like that though. I like that. That proves that it's just not saying 100% every time for everything. I like that. Scope refinement to ensure successful delivery within typical constraints. Thought I told you to speak regular English. All right. I don't know how innovative it is actually. Let's go. Let's go do it though. So now this is something that I'm curious about. What's the tech stack? React, Flask, Replit. Okay, that's what I want. All right, but that's not all. Let's copy this and let me see something real quick. I'm just curious. It's got to be tools out here that does this already. I'm still going to build it just to see how it turns out, but just curious. Actually, I have I already built something similar, but it's it's for not just AI skill twist. I forgot about it. Old school skills. What job have you had? So it's like, see, it's really helping you understand the value that you have in your old school uh, job experiences and applying that to the new. Hey, that's what I can. That's what I can do right there. All right, I know what to do. Yeah. So I don't know when I made that. Like last year sometime. That is just with ChatGPT and Cloudflare, hosted on Cloudflare domain with HTML. So it kind of needs to be updated. Skills you gain or fast food. Yeah, this is nice. I don't, man, I'm be tripping. All right, where was I? Several existing platforms provide similar functionality to what the PRD describes. None match it exactly as is. AI skills matching, employer intake dashboard. These cover core pieces. Upwork. Oh, yeah, of course, Upwork. I mean, yeah, that ain't really what I'm doing. Brain Trust, Web3 Talent Marketplace, and Dila, that's engineering. 18. No code builders that replicate this. That can replicate this. AI marketplaces that are emerging. Eval talent. Oh, okay, that's good. Work era. AI talent concierge and skills matrix matching. Existing tools are fragmented. Your app could win by specializing in AI specific skill taxonomy. That's what it's supposed to be doing. What do you mean? Automation, tiered talent, beginners to expert, employers need mapping, SOP automation, lead gen. Testing. That is the MVP plan. What's your MVP plan? Uh, 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 uh. That PRD is going into replit. I am about to build this now. Are you telling me how to build what I have given you on the PRD, or are you giving me plans to build something else, like something similar to what you had suggested? Which one are you providing? Okay. Well, I don't need this. I just gave you that. I don't need it. We got to see what roughly can do with what we got here. All right, let's copy this and let's go build the app. I better check my usage. Oh, I did already this morning though. This is for this domain name right here. AI opportunities. I might already told you. This feels like deja vu. I was trying to get AI opportunities. Somebody had got it already. Oh, that ain't it. There we go. Let's see if it takes this. I want want email verification, uh, and I want magic link login, not replit account. And what else? Yeah, there you go right there. It's going to try to do the replit magic link. What else was I going to say? You don't need to search that hard. Yeah, I know how to do magic link integration. Job match connect. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, Why why is this needed in the marketplace? Why would this be any benefit beyond what's already available? For example, why wouldn't they just use LinkedIn? Okay. It says they mix AI expert with watch for TikTok about ChatGPT. Yeah, but we're not talking. I'm not testing people right now. Ooh, yeah, yeah. I guess I would have to go to that extent to stand out because I'm not talking about testing people and all that right now. I don't have the infrastructure or the maybe in future versions, but the plan was not to do all that. I just can't. Are you telling me there's a gap in the marketplace for this skill proof? Because I mean, I don't understand. If I had plenty of money, this would have been built 6 months ago. If I was somebody, especially if I was somebody in the job board, in the job industry, why wouldn't this be built already? Oh, I'm recording this. Okay. Not a vague one, a very real, very active gap. Okay, all right, okay. Small to mid-sized businesses need AI automation help, and they don't know where to find it. They don't, I don't know what they're doing. No one has built a clean AI skills marketplace for real world automation talent. Okay, ChatGPT. Matter of fact, you're tripping because Upwork and Fiverr has those. What about these? Oh, true. Skills matching. True, true, true. Well, there's a catch-22 here because it's built for small businesses. Yes, they don't know these terms. They don't know what they do. They don't know that they need these things. So, how is that dealt with? Excuse me. I forgot where we was at. So we have connected the domain name here. Now we are going to choose a funnel. You could build it from scratch, or you could use AI. I'm just going to use a very simple template. All right. So no, I can't. I was going to show you the AI, but it's going to do too much that, that I don't want done. So I'll show you the AI and go high level for building the funnel later. Um, should I use this? Let me look at this one real quick. I don't need all of this. Do I want to use this one or the one I always use? I think I'll stick with what has basically become my brand, quote unquote. Well, that ain't what we call it. I'm doing all this because, like I said, what happened is I posted a message on LinkedIn and I forgot about it actually. It's just placeholder text. I don't know text. I don't know if I'm going to keep it, get rid of it, or what. But you are correct. This is the friction point. Small businesses don't know AI roles, don't know what to ask for, don't know what's possible, don't know the terminology, only know their problems. This is the exact disconnect your platform exists to fix. Actually, I don't, you know, we'll figure it out. I already created something for you guys to address that. That's what that's why I told you to go to more customers, more clients, and fill out their form. It handles, it takes care of this for you. If you did that, you wouldn't need to know any of this. It's going to tell you how to. It's going to figure this out for you. Give me headline and tagline for the home page. Oh my goodness. Let's save this to go get the API key. And we're not going to get the regular API key. We're going to do a private integration for the specific website. You gotta make sure these things click because they don't pick up very well. Or maybe it's my maybe it's my mouse. And that's it. And we're back. How much? 37 cents for what? API key? Okay. Well, you see what we got going on here? We're gonna stop the video right here, pick it up later another time.